What up, y'all? We are in Cloud9 today. I'm gonna film a short one today because I'm gonna have a lot of content coming up here really quick. This Sunday, I will be leaving for Belgium for the second stop of the World Cup. We're just gonna get a quick one in today because I got some shows tomorrow over in the Bronx. But look who just showed up. We got Brandon Loupos in the house. He's gonna be here for about 3 weeks. So yeah, we're really excited about that. And yeah, we're just gonna film a couple clips on the mini ramp, maybe get on the resis a little bit. But anyways, yeah, enjoy. B-Dog is in the house. For those of you that don't know, Brandon Loupos is a world champion and an absolute superstar, actually a rock star. You can see on his helmet, but yeah, stoked to have Loupos out here riding because he's an absolute shredder, destroyer of all things. But yeah, follow him on Instagram if you don't already, which you probably do. There you go. We're gonna see a couple clips of Andy J getting rowdy on some Mike's Hard Lemonades.
Yeah, these are, no one's seen these yet except me and Brian, so.
Turn that volume up, let's see it.
Look at that happy guy right there.
Brady Baker has entered the chat. What do you got? Sabrina is in the chat as well, but she's right on the other side of the wall, but she's in the chat.
You think you're getting cold, 'cause you've been acting cold. I'm coming for your soul. I have no mercy for a 9-year-old. What you see in the daytime, they just won't believe. When the night comes, they'll be tossing in their sleep. They are watching out for me. That knocked you off your feet. Well, him I'll eat. A side of cranberry, what a treat. Have it your way, but before St. Nicholas Day, I'll take you away. There's no point to pray. What you see in the daytime, they just won't believe. When the night comes, they'll be tossing in their sleep. They are watching out for me. Yeah.
He just caught up a flare downwind on his own channel. It means he's got to do it. Woo! Yeah, Jamie.
Yeah, suck on that, Jamie Bestwick.
He doesn't watch these videos.
Nah, I know.
Things are heating up here in the summer. That means molecules are expanding. Sometimes you get a resi bubble. That's not stopping Brady Baker from doing a flare.
Dude, you did that so easily.
Alright. Straight from the Gold Coast down Indicate. Brandon Loupos.
Get it, B-Dog.
Alright. I believe Brady has called out the tail whip with the flare. Oh! Vert rider.
I did not think that was coming out. That was delicious. Bro,
It's getting street out here, dog.
Double bar. Alright, tried to plant the seed of him doing a flare double bar boat. I don't think he's into it.
oh my God.
Crazy. Discovered the fisheye zoom technique. Wow, no more out. Queued up a new epic battle music, copyright free song. Brian's feeling good about this one. Switch whip bar. Oh! I don't gotta like big greens. Gotta live flat. Get the ball, right?
For the record, that's the only tail to bar spin this channel will ever see me do, or anyone for that matter. You're blessed, all of you, with seeing me do that. I'll never do it again. Ever. Thanks, dude.
Yeah. I'm doing it at ground level. Yeah.
Spencer, thank you for filming. We appreciate you. You're the heart and soul of this channel.
Damn thing.
We did the damn thing, that's right.
Damn thing.
All right, that's gonna do it for this video. I actually gotta go home and pack my bags, get everything ready to go because I got a show tomorrow morning in the Bronx. Then back down to Georgia for another show, and then we're off to Brussels. But Brandon, thanks for being a part of it, dude.
No worries, thanks for
You're
having
the
me.
man. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.